Hey all, this is Flat Facts. I want to talk about this video here of a weather balloon with a GoPro attached that was sent up into the atmosphere. So, as it says here, went up to 90,000 feet, and the view is pretty spectacular. One thing that a lot of people talk about when they see this is, oh, look at the curvature. Look how much you can see it. Or you get the opposite reaction. This is faked. Fisheye lens. It's all a ruse. Fisheye lenses are used by the government to make us think the world is a sphere. So as we look at this, we see the curvature is changing a lot from very bowed out, bowed in. Here we see it going back and forth, wobbling. So flat earther might say, oh, look at that. They messed up. It's just a fisheye lens, no proof. Look at that. So look at the comments, we see a lot of that. So like this guy, people may use this to debunk flat earth. However, the fisheye lens effect is very obvious. So no doubt there's a fisheye lens. Doesn't prove either way, right? Why fisheye camera? Can someone explain? Let's see here. So he's got this curvature outward and a lot of movement, probably some rolling shutter going on as well. Back and forth. All right. What else do we have here? So this guy says that it's actually too close for you to see the curvature, not high enough, but he doesn't believe in flat earth. But he's saying this isn't a great video. Do you know what is a fisheye lens? He also goes to this time code. The wobble up and down. Flat earth, curved space, curved earth. See you can any size of the curve. Why they don't use a real lens to record? Why always fish lens to show earth like ball? Good question. Why always fisheye lens to show earth like ball? They can't even record with a real lens to show us reality. Always fisheye lens. Another one. It's interesting because they use a fisheye lens. You can easily spot this as the camera rotates. Not to say the Earth is flat, but this is far from profound evidence of a round Earth. So here's a guy kind of sad to use fisheye lens rather than a regular one, or maybe both views would be nice. Well, let's see if there's something I can do about that. Okay, so good enough there as far as comments go. So I'm gonna look at this video and show you what's going on with the lens. All right, so video starts. Things look fairly flat, right? But we immediately see a lot of wobble. So as we go up, look at that. Curved. Goes back to flat, curved, flat, curved, flat, very curved. So look at that. Earth is so round. Wow. I had no idea. We lived in such a small world. So obviously this is a fisheye lens. But it's the easiest thing to compensate for that. So, boom. All right. Now this is with the lens distortion removed. Original. Corrected for the lens. So this would be the actual shape of the Earth at this height. And I can see some curvature, a little bit of curvature there. Not a lot, not like this, which is majority lens, but I feel like I can still see a little bit of curvature. So, to prove that this is accurate, I did a little something here. So here is a horizon line tracked in just to evaluate. So looks like there's a slight curvature, and then I stabilize the background. So what I'm doing here is projecting from a locked off frame. So I take one frame. So what I do is I take this frame and I am going to view the Earth from this camera as if it's not moving, as if the balloon is static in space, and then I project the Earth onto something very distant, and what that does is it allows me to view what's happening with the lens to make sure that there's nothing strange happening. So if my undistort was inaccurate, you would see all these parts towards the edge of the frame. They'd be wobbling up and down. But since it's accurate, it stays like a still image through, as if we're looking through a window.
So here it is without the undistort. So with this stabilization, same camera track stabilization, but without the lens corrected for. So no undistortion of the fisheye lens. So you can see the edges are moving around. The lens distortion is throwing everything off. And then back to with the undistort.
So here's another little demonstration. So this is the lens curvature that was on that fisheye lens. So as you can see, it's extremely bowed. And as you go up, oh, look at that. The Earth is round. Earth is some sort of a weird dip in the world, in space. Oh no, it's flat. It's a flat Earth. So this is what you were seeing. This is what you would see after I adjusted it. So got rid of the lens distortion and just left you with a flat grid. So look at this. It's now flat as opposed to the original, which had that lens distortion, causing it to feel more spherical towards the top of the frame. Is after, before. Before and after. Before, after. There you have it. Corrected for the fisheye lens. Well, I hope that cleared things up for some of you, and hopefully we won't have as many comments about how fisheye lenses are some magical thing which distorts space and time. It's just a lens, and it can be corrected for. So thanks for watching.